What's up, guys? Welcome back. We are taking a little break from fishing today and probably the whole week because there was a huge storm off the East Coast and it's looking like it's gonna be some fire surf. So this is day one. It's already starting to fill in a little bit and the camera's fogging up. Already starting to fill in a little bit. We're gonna hit it in a little bit. Low tide's at 10. It's 8 o'clock now, 7:45. I'm gonna try to let the tide push some water in, get some stuff moving in there, but we'll see. Hopefully it's good. The next 4 days, it's gonna be pushing closer and closer to the shore. So it should be good, it should be fun. Gonna work with my friend Alex Cook, Alex McLean, and my buddy Kit, who's a videographer, and we're hopefully gonna get you guys some good footage, because Folly fires. It's nothing like Outer Banks. It can't handle swell that big and also has too much continental shelf in front of it, but we're about to get some good surf. And if it wasn't for a few factors, probably would have been up in Outer Banks this weekend too, so whatever. I literally don't have a car though, that's why I haven't been fishing much. I haven't been taking the rover out much, so the car search is on. Probably gonna get something for traveling and towing the boat and just doing a bunch of stuff with the channel, so a little bit more utility other than the Sabru, so whatever. Sabru's not going anywhere. You have anything to say about this? Hurricane swell. Maybe. Where are we at? Bobby.
Let's go.
Yeah. Alright, it's what's today? Saturday?
12.
Day one of this swell. It's starting to show up, but heavy north winds. I don't even think we're gonna film this first session, but there'll be some good stuff coming. Yeah. That's a good one. That's a good one. Just straight close out. It's gonna be tide now. A lot of people out surfing, not really that much. Look over there. Look how close that shrimp boat is though. Just dragging some sharks and some crazy fish. I want Alex and Alex to show up, and then we're gonna try to get on some. We're gonna work in 4 hours, so hopefully a little session before work. But there's a lot of people down there. Good work for them, but it's still good to get salty, so stay tuned. I'm about to surf. Katie's yapping back there. We've been stuck to one car because the Soupy's in the shop with the roll-up, suffering. Yeah.
pro, man. When are you going pro?
Oh, never.
Never. Hurry up, get out there, dude. We're not paying you to sit here, dude. Open rights, dude.
Last time I was down here.
How much?
It was 50. It was because I was like parking for crosswalk. Yeah.
Did y'all see the barnacle they're putting on cars now?
No.
It's on your windshield, bro. It's two big suction cups, and you have to call and scan the Wi-Fi thing to get it off. $380. Yeah, if you have one ticket, you don't pay it, and then you do it again, you get the barnacle you can't see. It covers your whole windshield.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Wait, is that for the yellow tickets or the orange ones?
Apparently, it's after you get a yellow ticket, or if you already have a violation at the city of Raleigh.
Yeah, that's a lot. Yeah, I'd take that phone.
We in like 50 feet of water. Butterball. That's a male. That's a nice one. Crazy.